Weird inhuman sounds suggesting something supernatural, unearthly. Weird something supernatural unearthly. Weird, inhuman sounds.
Hi, my babies. Hi. Okay, this is weird. Okay, I don't know if you remember, but do you remember Stuart and his mom, Stuart Smalley, where he would be like, look what I can do. Look what I can do. And then his mom was like, Stuart, Stuart, Stuart. Okay, and he kept saying, look what I can do. Look what I can do. Okay, I can never say it how they say it, but you know what I'm talking about. And he would always want his mom's attention. And our whole life, we've been craving attention. We have. From like the time that we were little to like middle age to high school, we always wanted the attention. Heck, I still remember being in line for dodgeball, and I was like the second one to be to be picked. And I just wanted to be like, hey, look what I can do, you know? I grew up with two brothers. I was never the one picked. And I was like, hey, pick me, pick me. No, it never happened. I was always overlooked. And you were too. But now is your turn to be picked for everything. Now is your turn for your light to shine. Now everybody is seeing you as the first option. They want you now. You don't have to be like, look what I can do. Look at me. Look what I can do. You don't have to ever do that again because your light is shining so bright. See, all those other people, they got chosen at that time because that was when their light was shining the brightest. You see, they were picked because that was their time to be picked. But this is your turn to be picked. This is your turn to be in the spotlight. This is your turn for happiness. This is your turn for success. This is your turn for abundance. You no longer have to be like, hey, look what I can do. Hey, look what I can do. You're no longer searching for validation from anybody else, from your parents, siblings, lovers, whatever. You do not need anybody's validation because you are enough on your own, just the way you are. No one can stop you from ascending from your elevation, and you never, ever have to stick your hand out and be like, pick me, look what I can do. Never again. So that is the weird message I got tonight, and you know, this gift is so weird, but I just want you guys to know I love you and God loves you, and have the most amazing night. Mwah.
I will always choose you.
Lately, wish you could trade eyes with me, 'cause there's complexities in complexion, but your skin is glow like diamonds. Dig me like the earth, you be giving birth to everything alive, baby, know your worth. I love everything about you, from your nappy curls to every single curve, your body natural. Same skin that was broken, be the same skin taking over. Most things out of focus view, but when you're in the room, they notice you. 'Cause you're beautiful. Yeah, you're beautiful. Fall in love with you in all of your glory. Your skin is not only dark, it shines and it tells your story. Keep dancing, they can't control you. They watch and they all adore you. Lately, wish you could trade eyes with me, 'cause there's complexities in complexion, but your skin is glow like diamonds. Dig me like the earth, you be giving birth to everything alive, baby, know your worth. I love everything about you, from your nappy curls to every single curve, your body natural. Same skin that was broken, be the same skin taking over. Most things out of focus view, but when you're in the room, they know